When I first found out about this program, I was a little bit hesitant. But I also wanted to find out for myself if it works. So here's my Tonaki Tinnitus Protocol review. After doing my due diligence study, I found out that this program incorporates an accurate formula of natural herb spices and quickly accessible foods that have been clinically proven to heal the damaged myelin sheath inside your ear. The myelin sheath is a nerve that links the ear to the brain. Disruption of this nerve causes ringing and buzzing. With Tonaki Tinnitus Protocol's specific formula, it alleviates these symptoms and assists the stress of tinnitus with the aid of easy smoothie recipes. It highlights 3 straightforward foods that boost and protects the nerve. Instead of nursing symptoms, the protocol targets the source of tinnitus and reverses it. Tonaki Tinnitus Protocol is a natural path to tranquility. It's all natural, risk-free and scientifically tested for silencing tinnitus in as little as 21 days. It comes with all the information concerning tinnitus and a complete breakdown of foods that will get you relief. Additionally, there are excellent guidelines as well as other findings discussed. Because of copyright issues, I can't divulge the content of the guide with you now. I'd recommend giving it a try, as the testimonials of people who've tried it have gotten positive results. Plus, it has a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. When I was researching this product, I encountered a special discount link, and I utilised it to get a discount plus 3 bonus items, which are the Banal Beats for Tinnitus audio series, the Yoga for Tinnitus video series, and the Everyday Tinnitus Foods bonus. The discount link is in the description. Good luck.